Salesforce is a cloud-based customer relationship management (CRM) platform that helps businesses of all sizes manage and streamline their relationships with customers, partners, and potential clients. It's widely used across industries for sales, marketing, customer service, analytics, application development, and more. Below is a detailed explanation of what Salesforce is, its features, and why it's important. What is Salesforce? Salesforce is a software-as-a-service platform founded in 1999 by Mark Benioff. It was one of the first companies to successfully deliver business applications over the internet. Today, it's the world's #1 CRM platform. Rather than installing software on computers or servers, Salesforce lets you access everything through a web browser or mobile app, offering scalability, flexibility, and real-time updates. Core features of Salesforce. 1. Sales Cloud helps sales teams manage leads, opportunities, contacts, and accounts. Automates workflows, forecasts sales, and tracks performance. Useful tools, lead management, opportunity tracking, email integration. 2. Service Cloud, used by customer service teams to manage support cases and service requests. Includes features like case tracking, knowledge base, and chatbot support. Allows for omni-channel support, phone, email, chat, social media. 3. Marketing Cloud enables companies to run personalized marketing campaigns, supports email, SMS, social media, advertising, and web personalization. Tracks customer journeys across different touchpoints. 4. Commerce Cloud provides tools to create and manage online storefronts, supports both B2B and B2C commerce with mobile-friendly interfaces. 5. Experience Cloud, formerly Community Cloud, helps businesses build customer and partner portals, help centers, and discussion forums. 6. Analytics Cloud, Tableau CRM, offers business intelligence, dashboards, and AI-powered insights, helps users make data-driven decisions. 7. App Exchange, a marketplace for third-party apps that integrate with Salesforce, contains thousands of apps for accounting, HR, project management, etc. 8. Salesforce Platform. Developers can build custom apps using Apex, Salesforce's programming language, and Lightning Components UI framework. Supports automation with tools like Flow, Process Builder, and Workflow Rules. Benefits of Salesforce: benefit description, cloud-based, access from anywhere on any device, no infrastructure needed. Customizable, tailor Salesforce to suit your business with point-and-click or code-based customizations. Scalable, works for startups to large enterprises, easily scales with your business. Security, advanced data security features, role-based access, and compliance certifications. Automation, automate repetitive tasks to improve productivity and reduce errors. Integration, integrates with many third-party systems, ERP, email, social media, payment systems, industries that use Salesforce, retail, banking and finance, healthcare, manufacturing, telecommunications, education, nonprofits. Salesforce ecosystem. The Salesforce ecosystem includes admins, configure the system without code. Developers, build custom apps using code. Consultants, help businesses implement and optimize Salesforce. Architects, design scalable and secure Salesforce solutions. Marketers, analysts, and support agents use the platform in their roles. Popular Salesforce certifications: Salesforce Certified Administrator, Salesforce Certified Platform Developer IN2, Salesforce Certified Sales Cloud Consultant, Salesforce Certified Service Cloud Consultant, Salesforce Marketing Cloud Specialist, Salesforce Certified Advanced Administrator. Real-life use case example. Imagine a car dealership uses Sales Cloud to track leads and opportunities, uses Service Cloud to manage vehicle service appointments, uses Marketing Cloud to send promotional offers, uses Analytics Cloud to track sales performance by region. Conclusion: Salesforce is more than just a CRM. It's a powerful business platform that enables companies to deliver better customer experiences, boost sales and service productivity, automate business operations, make data-driven decisions. It's a vital tool for any business looking to grow and compete in today's digital world.